With all my heart, I welcome you all on this great evening to solicit your presence today at this hotel. Pili Pili Music Mania and Mambo TV Swahili Company Limited, we also extend you our warm welcome to all the respected CEOs, marketing managers, company directors, and representatives from the corporate, government, non-governmental organizations to this unique meet and greet event. So these three companies today are going to show you their products which might be of some value to you. Pili Pili Entertainment Company Limited is a parent company of Mambo TV Swahili and a production house operating in Tanzania from last 10 years. Pili Pili has been on the top of this food chain and has been the benchmark for the other production houses even today. Value for money, timely delivery, and consistent quality standards has been the three pillars of our success. What kind of services Pili Pili offer to their clients? We do films, we do TV commercials, we do television content production, and also we do line production. So these are the main core areas where Pili Pili Entertainment as a production house works. These are our clients. We've been working with them from last 10 years now. Some 5 years, with some 10 years. And our clients have become our brand ambassadors now. That was TV commercials. Let's watch some television content which we have prepared. This is Uhuru na Gharama Zake, which was 2 years on the television Azam TV, Azam 2. It's also on our Mambo TV Swahili now. As you have seen that we have some imported content also here, Indian content dubbed in Swahili. And we have been the first ones in the industry to actually to dub and to produce these series. Let's see some of our line production content which we have been doing for line production for the international crew coming from outside who take our support, our cooperation and our services. Pili Pili, in its very first year, they won the Best Film Award at ZIFF Zanzibar, which was in 2010 and 2011. We got the Best Film Certificate at ZIFF in Berlin, in Germany. And in 2010, we got Best Regional Film Award at Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Awards in 2012 in Nigeria. And then in 2018, Days of Night was nominated for the Best Film. This is something which I value the most with my clients. I want to be their partner first. Money comes later. Our best of the cameras an industry can have, a production house can have. Some of people may know about Red camera, Blackmagic camera. So we have all kinds of cameras available. Lights, sound, visual effects. Now that is where we are very strong. Visual effects and graphics. This has been our forte from last 10 years. Anything regarding graphics, animation, we do it here. In our own country, in our own office. We do it here. We don't give the work of animation outside. We do it here. Subtitling. Plus, we do our own art direction for our own series. We have studio of 250 square meter indoor where we can do indoor setups. And yes, not to forget, not the least, my well-experienced crew and my staff. Using these three values, we started a music company called as Pili Pili Music Mania 1 year back. PMM is a company which gives platform to the young and the emerging talent in music.
Utanionea, usicheze mbali basi sogea. Baby puliza trumpet, nataka nicheze nimejipanga. Usoni nifunge tinted, fute kabisa na hiyo kamba. Yaji kusema uendo dawa. Oh yeah yeah. Kutwa mara tatu nanywa.
PMM, we call it as a premier music label. It's not established very far. We established it in 2019. Clients here, I'm referring to my artists because they are my clients. I'm managing them. Right now, we have just collaborated with billionaire Kid.
Uko na mfalme ni kama jadi. Leo napiga dry. Mash up anyone pia my girl. Amazing girl. Can't deny. Nikikufuata nitakodi nguo. Penzi lako halina kituo.
Yes, we are going to drop the video.
Usije tanga kwa waganga.
Mwisho kaibiwa, mpaka varandani tulicheze vanga. Toso mejaliwa, mimi natamani kumshika
Wa moto.
asa nikimuona akikatiza kwa mtaa. Sana sonona tena alivyoumbika mtoto nyama kanona. Sasa mimi nitafanyaje?
Mimi nimeona hapa, nimemwona Rich Mavoko, nimesikia ya moto, sijajua nini, siwezi kufuatilia mambo mengi sana. Lakini kubwa zaidi ni kumpa support ili mambo yawe mazuri kwa Lazarus.
The adventure is Mambo TV Swahili. This is a pay TV channel on the platform of DTH operators like StarTimes, Zuku, Zmax, StarTimes On, and Azam Max. All of these platforms cover most of Tanzania and East Africa. The channel has shown exceptional results, and in just over a year has been in top 5 of the Kiswahili pay TV channels of Tanzania, according to the Geopoll report. Now, as I told you, that this channel is outrageous because after it started, it has created outrageous fan following due to its content, look, and experience.
I just want to say we're ready, we're here, we're ready to run, we're ready to grow with you. We're looking to collaborate with all you companies here, NGOs, all the MNCs right here. We want to work on your agendas, your narratives. We want to make your work easier by making it wherever we can.
Mambo TV imekuwa juu kwenye platform yetu na pia kwenye industry ya viwanda vya burudani katika Tanzania na pia kwenye channel yetu ya Star Swahili ambayo iko juu kabisa katika industry hii, na tumepata tamthilia nyingi kama Ganga, Waris, ambayo hizi zote zinaingizwa lugha ya Kiswahili kutokana na kampuni ya Pilipili. Yani hiyo dubbing inavutia sana na pia inapendeza sana.
Neema Mina
kutoka SBC Tanzania Limited, anaitwa Avinash.
Penzi lako halina kituo. Me go never leave you kio. Hata kwa njama ufike tu. Nikikupata sikuachi.